Hello everyone, this is Gillian from Amazing Finds, and in this video I'm going to review and show you how to use this BAHCO S800 socket with a set of 77 metric and AF 1/4 and 1/2 inch drive. This has a lot of, this is a very useful tool. As you can see, it has the ratchets, the sockets, and both ratchets has a quick release button for fast changing between sockets. And all metal parts are high performance alloy steel. This BAHCO S800 socket set has a huge range of built to last sockets and bits. This is a very useful and important drive system tools that you might want to have. It includes the fast changing ratchets and the metal parts. That includes the hexagonal sockets, hexagonal impact, deep hexagonal extensions, spinners, reversible ratchet, the universal joints, and slotted screwdriver. If you are looking for a dynamic tool, then I highly recommend this one.